息がとってもいいような夜だけどどよめききらめく時にとってもいいような夜だけど二人刻
かわいい。Pick up this one. We found Ingi! No, cat cafe right by our hotel. Option 1. This is part of the peanut collection. Second option. I didn't end up getting things from there just because it would take 2 weeks instead of the 1 week that we saw on social media, so that's okay. But next we're off to Takashita Street. We made it! Guys, they have clip-on earrings! Outfit of the day. Guys, I literally only brought 5 or 6 outfits, so you might see some repeats because I'm trying to buy clothes here. I got it! I found it! Oh my god! So cute. Didn't have the tiny little statue because it just got sold out. Welcome to Shibuya Crossing. There he is, the good loyal dog. Oh my god. Teriyaki burger. We're crossing! Chopper, right there in front of you. Wow. On our way to Shibuya 109. Got my first item, but shopping around. cute, but it's so much.
流通結構大体一斤あるんですよ。
Whoa.
流通結構大体一斤あるんですよ。
Different position of Luffy. Hey, ありがとうございます。
混ぜて。
はいはい。みんな可愛いね。
じゃあこれは。
Look, guys, there's so many of them. He's eating so well. Oh, hi. I wanna take you home. Oh, hello. Oh my God, he's playing. Nico, hello. We don't got a problem. This is all alcohol, by the way. Although I'm actually really excited to try this one, Pink Shot.
I'm excited to try this one.
Yeah, Jack Daniels and Coke Zero. This is peach, also peach. Smirnoff. I think this is a cocktail. We're gonna say this is lemonade, lychee, and then watermelon martini thing. It's mountain and it's good. That's so cute! Hinakuma, why are you strapped like that? Oh. That's so cool! It's like Dance Central or Just Dance on a whole new level. Next to it is Minecraft Dungeon. They have it here too! Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god! I found it! Akihabara! It's so tall! Horse meat tartare! Wow! Oh! Wee!
You look cute.
Ice cream!
They have Filipino? Oh, they have
Wow!